Welcome to this definitive guide on fulfilling the fourth pillar of Islam, calculating zakat on gold. This video will provide clear, accurate, and religiously compliant instructions for determining your zakat obligation. We will follow a strict, reliable, three-step methodology to determine your exact zakat obligation. First, verify that your gold meets religious conditions. Second, convert its purity to a standard. Third, calculate the 2.5% value based on current market rates. Step 1. Verify the three conditions of obligation. Your gold must meet three strict criteria: full possession, meaning complete ownership with no loans against it; timeline, meaning it must be held for one full lunar year; and threshold, meaning the total value must equal or exceed the Nisab. The fixed threshold for zakat, known as the Nisab, is 85 grams of 24K gold. If your eligible gold equals or exceeds this specific weight and purity, zakat becomes mandatory. To calculate the monetary amount owed, we must benchmark against the current price of 24K gold. Note that the rate shown here is an example and should be verified for the date and location of your calculation. Step 2. Convert all gold to its 24K equivalent. Since the Nisab is based on 24K gold, all other purities, such as 22K, must be converted. The formula is actual weight multiplied by actual carat divided by 24, which equals the 24K equivalent weight. Step 3. Calculate the 2.5% zakat obligation. Once you confirm your 24K equivalent weight is equal to or greater than the Nisab, you extract the mandatory religious due. You must pay 2.5% of the total 24K equivalent weight. Let's review a case study. Calculating zakat on 120 grams of 22K gold. Applying the formula, 120 multiplied by 22 and divided by 24 equals 110 grams of 24K gold. Since 110 grams is greater than the 85-gram Nisab, zakat is mandatory. Continuing with the 110 grams of 24K equivalent gold, we determine the final monetary amount. The zakat weight is 110 grams multiplied by 2.5%, which equals 2.75 grams. Multiplying 2.75 grams by the market rate, the total zakat to be paid is 44,580 rupees and 25 paisa. Here is case study 2. Calculating zakat on 120 grams of pure 24K gold. Since the gold is already 24K, the conversion shows 120 grams, which exceeds the Nisab. Extracting the zakat weight is 120 grams multiplied by 2.5% or 3 grams. The total zakat to be paid is 48,633 rupees. Watch out for the most common zakat calculation error. A frequent misunderstanding is that zakat is only owed on the amount of gold that exceeds the Nisab. This is incorrect. If your gold exceeds the 85-gram Nisab, you must pay zakat on the full weight, not just the excess. Zakat is always calculated on the total weight. The correct method is to apply 2.5% to the total possession, which, in this case, is the full 120 grams, not the difference after subtracting the Nisab. Use this personal zakat calculation checklist to ensure accuracy. Remember to verify the conditions, convert to 24K, calculate 2.5% of the total equivalent weight, and determine the monetary value using the current market rate.